How to deactivate Messenger account. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Messenger. Now tap on three lines at the bottom right corner. Now simply go to settings. Again scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now simply tap on account center or personal details. Now scroll down. Again tap on personal details. Now simply tap on account ownership and control. Now select deactivation or deletion. Now select your Facebook account. Now select deactivate account. Now keep one thing in mind, this will deactivate your Facebook account and Messenger account both. Now simply tap on continue. Now enter your Facebook password and tap on continue to deactivate. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.